When you pay your FICA taxes, are you buying into a property right of a future benefit? Something the government owes you the way a bank owes you the balance in your account? The Supreme Court of the United States has answered this question, and the answer is no. The case is Fleming versus Nestor, decided in 1960. Ephraim Nestor was a man who had paid into Social Security for roughly 19 years. He had retired. He was receiving his benefits. And then Congress passed a law providing that certain deported persons would lose those benefits. Nestor was deported and his benefits were terminated. He sued. His argument was 4 words: I paid into it. He claimed that his contributions had purchased a contractual right, a property right, that Congress could not simply take away. The court ruled against him. It held that a worker who pays Social Security taxes acquires no contractual right and no accrued property rights to benefits. The court pointed to a provision Congress had written into the original 1935 Act, a provision titled, with striking candor, Reservation of Power, in which Congress reserved to itself the right to alter, amend, or repeal any provision of the Act at any time. Your benefits, the court explained, cannot be compared to an annuity bought with premium payments. They are not property you have purchased. They are a promise a legislature has made, and a promise the same legislature may revise or revoke whenever it chooses. Consider what that means. The thing that feels most like your property, the money taken from your own paycheck across a lifetime of work, buys you no enforceable claim at all. What you have is not a right. What you have is the continued goodwill of whatever Congress happens to be sitting when the check comes due.